We are experiencing climate change, and this will definitely affect the way we farm. What if I tell you there is a way to grow food, restore forests, and fight climate change all at the same time? Now that's the power of agroforestry. I am Fatima Zara Idris, and you're welcome to another episode of NAERLS Farming Smart Channel, your gateway to modern, profitable farming practices. To help us understand the benefits and practical steps for agroforestry, we are joined by two experts today. Mr. Olaifa, a researcher from the Forestry Research Institute of Nigeria, FRAME.
Thank you for having me.
And Dr. Goni, an agricultural extension specialist from the National Agricultural Extension and Research Liaison Services, NAERLS.
It's a pleasure to be here.
You are both welcome, sirs. Let's start with the basics. Dr. Goni, why is agroforestry important for farmers?
Thank you for the question. Agroforestry actually offers a lot of multiple of benefits, both to the environment and to the farmers. You see, it's just like creating a living partnership on your farm by combining trees as well as crops in your farm. Trees work underground, improving your soil in ways that you cannot see, but definitely benefit the soil. Trees contribute to the nutrient cycle through the leaf and the roots by, decomposing these to enrich the soil with organic matter. And some trees even provide nitrogen naturally into the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers.
That's amazing. Over to you, Mr. Olaifa. Can you tell us how agroforestry benefits biodiversity?
Absolutely. Agroforestry creates diverse ecosystem by introducing various tree species along crops and livestock. Agroforestry allows for pollinators like bees, which are very important and very crucial for crop yield. The environment also encourages natural pest control, reducing the need for chemical intervention. For example, just imagine a farm with just one crop. It's very going to be vulnerable. When you add some diverse tree species to that farm, it boosts biodiversity. Bees love flower, which they get from trees, and boosting pollination and fruit production, and increase better the livelihood of farmers. The trees also attract birds and other natural predators, which help to control pests.
How does agroforestry help farmers financially?
Farmers can generate income or revenue by selling the products from this agroforestry, like timber, the fruits, and in some cases, even medicinal plants and fodder crops that are used for the livestock. And in some cases, even the honey produced within the agroforest system provides a source of income to the farmers.
Mr. Olaifa, if a farmer in Kaduna State wants to start an agroforestry system, which trees would you recommend and why?
You see, farmers need to make choices before venturing into agroforestry. You can decide to go for leguminous trees, such as Fadabi abida, which is locally known as Gao. Gao is commonly called the fertilizer tree because it fixes enormous quantity of nitrogen to the soil, to the point that farmers will eventually have a soil that has been reconditioned to boost their productivity. Another leguminous tree that is common around here is Gliricidia sepium, that can easily be grown and propagated by farmers, increase the nitrogen content of the soil, and turn marginal soil into productive soil. We also have Lucinia licucephala. These are very important leguminous trees. Also, a farmer can be thinking about long-term investment. So such farmer can venture into the production of trees such as mahogany, teak, melina, so that in few years to come, you can begin to reap the benefit by selling the timber product from such trees. A farmer can equally decide that a sown agroforestry model will be based on the inclusion of fruit trees such as mango, cashew, citrus, and the likes, which will definitely boost its income generating potential.
Could you elaborate on the value chain opportunities in agroforestry?
Certainly. Agroforestry system in Kaduna State offers numerous value chain opportunities to the farmers. For example, timber, which I mentioned earlier, like teak and mahogany, can be harvested for high-value timber. This timber can be processed into the production of furniture, building materials, or even for export purposes. And for the fruits and nuts, products from these trees like mango and cashew are highly marketable in both local and international markets. And plants that we use for the medicinal like moringa and bobo offer medicine and nutritional benefits.
Agroforestry is not just about planting trees, it is about securing our future. Thank you to Mr. Olaifa and Dr. Goni for sharing these insights.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And to our viewers, the future of farming is in our hands. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the NAELLS Farming Smart channel today. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on an update. Don't forget, we don't just farm, we farm smartly. See you same time next week.